No ways. There's no ways. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining my beautiful family. If it is your first time coming across my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and stick around. But if you are a returning supporter, a regular at day one, I truly do appreciate you coming back to show your girl some love and support once again. So as you guys can see by the title, in today's video we are doing a luxury unboxing, which is really exciting. I haven't done one of these in a minute, simply because I'm not one to put wearing my items on hold, especially like when I get something I just want to wear it immediately, so I never keep things on display. But this bag is very special, so I haven't been in a rush to, you know, carry it. Both of them are extremely special, and I also feel like they're more of like items for special occasions. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. I'm gonna start off with my Moschino Couture bag, which was a Christmas present, and this is how the box looks. If you guys don't know where you can get Moschino products in South Africa, you can get them at Hydraulics in Sandton City. I'm not sure about where you can get them in other cities, but I'm aware that Hydraulics has. So first off, when you open the box, there is some tissue paper, and there's also a duster bag which is carrying the actual bag. And guys, this bag is so cute. I don't have anything like this, so it's so cute. This is the Furry teddy bear bag. How cute! This is not a Moschino toy. And then this is side of how it looks, the back of the bag, and the other side. As you guys can see, it has a strap, so this is how you carry the bag. And this is a black leather strap with gold hardware. The gold hardware is also engraved Moschino. And when you open inside, there is a duster bag in here as well, which is smaller in size, which I assume is for carrying this gold strap. And the strap is so that you can carry the bag crossbody, so you just clip it on over here. But unfortunately the leather strap doesn't come off, so even if you're carrying it crossbody, you're still gonna have your leather strap on the bag, which I don't think is unfortunate, to be quite honest, because it still looks cute. And the gold strap is also branded Moschino Milano. I'll show you guys in cutaways close-ups of all the details of the bag. Now, in terms of practicality, it's not a very practical bag because you can't necessarily carry this to run errands or like daytime where you probably need to carry more things. Because, for example, my phone fits, but you can't close the bag completely. So yeah, you can fit your phone, but you can't close it completely. And another example of the limited space is me putting my fist in. Obviously, because teddy bears have stuffing, that's how they get their structure. So there won't be enough space in the bag. But anyways, it's a statement piece. I don't think you need to be filling it up with stuff anyways. Inside, it has black material and a leather tag branded Moschino Milano. And she is just very cute. Like, man, so cute. Like, this would look so nice with a cash black tracksuit, you know what I mean? I don't think it's like a formal dress kind of bag because it's very cash. And even the quality of the fur that the bear is made out of, you can feel that it's not just any cheap kind of fur, you know what I mean? I mean, obviously, but it's so cute. Love. So yeah, this is my first baby. Now we're gonna move on to my second item that I'll be unboxing. So this doesn't have a box anymore because I got rid of it when I was flying back. I didn't want to have any issues with customs at the airport. But I got these beautiful earrings from Louis Vuitton. They're really simple studs. You guys are barely gonna see them because they're so tiny, but they are absolutely beautiful. They're so dainty and elegant. This is how they look. I had to get these because I have these ones. I'm not gonna lie, you can get a lot of wears out of them, but it's also nice to have something a little bit more clean, neat, elegant. So love them. They are also branded at the bottom and engraved Louis Vuitton, as you guys can see in the close-up on screen. But they are adorbs. I love them, and they come in a cute little duster bag so that you don't misplace them. Item number 3. I'm so excited about her, guys. I've been wanting this bag for the longest time, child. So this is the paper bag she comes in. I love how I refer to like my bags as she, as if they're human beings. And this is the box. So Homegirl is quite big, as you can see by the size of the box. Beautifully wrapped as usual, how they always wrap their items. And I'm just gonna remove this ribbon. So first and foremost, the one thing I did notice after getting this bag is that it doesn't come in the typical duster bag from LV. It is, I think, more of a premium LV bag. So like with any luxury brand, there's obviously going to be entry-level luxury, which I think is your Neverfulls, your Almas, because those are more on the affordable side. But these babies over here, child, in terms of price, they don't play. They're very pricey. So even the duster bag is thicker. It's almost as if they've doubled it, or it's a thicker kind of fabric, and it even has a almost, what is this? Is this suede? Yeah, suede inside to protect the leather, as you can see, of which most LV duster bags don't have this. Well, duster bags for bags that aren't premium LV. And apparently they make these bags with the same leather that they use to make Hermes handbags. So if you already know anything about Hermes, then you know the level of quality this is at. So let me show y'all my baby. So I got this Capucines. How beautiful is she? I call this a big girl bag because I feel like any girl that's serious has this handbag. Do you get what I mean? Not to say that if you don't have it, you're not serious, but I mean, you know, if you have a Birkin, you got a big girl bag. So I feel like this is a big girl bag. I forgot the exact name of the color, but I did
Bruh.
Ciao. Anyway, so I completely forgot the color, but let's just call it beige nude. So yeah, this is how the bag looks close up. I didn't get the mini, I got the BB. I wanted the mini, but they didn't have the mini in stock. But anyways, it's fine. I'm happy with the size that I got. This is the front. As you guys can see, it has LV with gold hardware over there. Side profile, back, and other side. The bag also does have gold hardware at the bottom so that when you place it on surfaces, it doesn't fall over. It has this beautiful little LV logo over. You saw. Then when you open the bag, you get a strap. Long strap for, I presume, if you want to carry the bag crossbody. I cannot imagine carrying a bag like this crossbody. I feel like that's just, you're disrespecting the bag. Not gonna lie. Because it's very, I feel like it's too much of a dress up bag. It's very sophisticated, so you can't be carrying it crossbody. It's not casual. But yeah, we thank you for the strap for those who would prefer to. Oh, you actually clip it on the sides. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. This wouldn't fit crossbody though. Oh, it does, but it's not comfortable. Yeah, no, it doesn't make sense to carry it crossbody. But I mean, if you're a petite girly, you probably could. But yeah, this is how it looks with the strap on. Don't you think the strap ruins it? Yeah, I know. So the strap ruins it, guys. But yeah, anyways, how beautiful is she? Let me show you inside the bag. So inside the bag there is a strap and a buckle, so if you want to close it, you guys can see that this is not a bag that has a zip, so it can be a little bit risky when you're out in public. It's easy for someone to, like, you know, stick your hand and snatch whatever. I mean, I live in South Africa, so gotta stay safe. And anyways, there's also a zip here on the side, a little compartment should you wish to store anything. And then there is this leather in between that's separating the two sides, so you can compartmentalize your bag and organize it properly. In terms of space, I feel like the bag has a lot of space. It also has a little leather strap inside so that you can tuck in this flap, which is very convenient and another way to close the bag. The bag also has LV branding inside on the leather, which is printed. And it does have quite a lot of space, to be quite honest, so I feel like it could be an easy bag to carry even during the day if you are going to a meeting, for example, and you need to keep like a little notepad or whatever. She smells good too. Another point I wanted to touch on is just how they seal the leather with rubber all the way around. As you guys can see, this is visible on the handle as well as the going across the edge of the bag. I also absolutely love the detail of the side, like the gold hardware with the beautiful studded detail. I don't know if I could call it studs or what, but you guys can see these gold dots going down here. They're so stunning, and every second one is also branded Louis Vuitton. So yeah guys, this is my new baby girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know how you guys feel about luxury unboxings. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do them regularly because that's an expensive thing to maintain, but yeah, I definitely will pop on here if you guys are interested in more of them. Don't forget to like this video, share it if you can, and subscribe to my channel, and look forward to some gorgeous content with my new gorgeous items. So excited. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to my channel. Keep well.